today's title is Special Triangles or Standard Triangles, depending what YouTube video you watch or what person you talk to. They're the same thing. The special or standard triangles are used to write the exact answer. That's why they're useful. That's why we use them. We avoid the decimals. We avoid the calculator. So put your calculator away. You do not need it. So the first step is to draw the standard or special triangle for that angle. This is what they look like. This is the first one. It's a right angle triangle. It has one angle that's 30 degrees and one angle that's 60 degrees. This is how I remember this one. The side next to 30 degrees is square root 3. So they both have a 3 in them. So square root 3. The side next to 60 degrees, does anyone know? 1, yep. And the hypotenuse is 2. Now we do, everyone remember SOHCAHTOA? But if you forgot, TOA stands for what? Opposite and adjacent. That's your second step. Write down opposite and adjacent. So let's look at the special triangle. What's the opposite of 60? Square root of 3. It's the adjacent side. 1. So the exact answer to tan 60 is root 3. That's it. This one. So this is the second special triangle. It's not 30 or 60, it's 45. So this is called the 45-degree special triangle. So this one's easier to remember. This is very easy because they're both 45 degrees. Both sides are 1. But this one is square root 2. That's probably the hard bit to remember. What's the cos angle equal to for SOHCAHTOA? Adjacent over hypotenuse. What's the adjacent to 45 degrees? 1. What is the hypotenuse? Square root 2. So that is the exact answer. Now, if you remember your surds, you need to rationalize the denominator. Mathematicians don't like square roots on the bottom, so we multiply whatever the square root is on the bottom, on the top and the bottom. So we've eliminated the square root on the bottom of the fraction. All right, you try this one by yourself. Sine 60 degrees. First step, draw the triangle. All right, so that's the first step done. Second step, use SOHCAHTOA. So we're doing sine. What's sine equal to? Opposite over hypotenuse. What's the opposite of the angle 60? Square root 3. What's the hypotenuse? 2. So that's it. Sub in the values. You don't need to rationalize the denominator because it's not a surd.